Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today, student, I am going to take you the class of your lesson number 6, preposition. Preposition means positions of words. A word that denotes the relationship between noun, pronoun, and other parts of a sentence is known as preposition. It is generally placed before the noun and pronoun, whose relationship is meant to establish with the rest of the sentence. For example, you can see here, I have put the sugar in the box. So where is the position of the sugar? It is in the box. So in is telling the connection between the sugar and the box. I have been working here since last 4 years. That means still he is working there. Here, since establishes the duration of work there. It tells us about the relationship between the act of working and the time period is 4 years. Then third one, he is very dedicated to his work. Here, to describe the link between his dedication and his work. Now we will move about the types of preposition. The 3 types of prepositions are preposition of time, position, preposition of direction. Time tells us about the time or a duration of an act, and it is relation to the noun or pronoun. For example, to, since, during, etc. Position tells us the location or the position of the noun or pronoun. For example, at, in, on, behind, beside, etc. Direction tells us about the direction or motion of the noun or pronoun. For example, towards, across, by, etc. Now, preposition of time. What is preposition of time? For example, at, on, in, within, by, from, then before, during. All these words are preposition of time. After, example, the event will begin at 10 p.m. Specific time is given here, the 10 p.m. Now we will move to B exercise there. B, on. On is, it is made use of when talking about the day and date. When we are talking about the day and date, we will write on. For example, can we meet on Wednesday? Or my wedding anniversary is on 15th July. So we are giving the day and date. We will use preposition on. In is used it indicates a period of time, day, it be it a day or a month or a season, etc. The World Cup will begin in January. We don't live in the 18th century anymore. In is also used when denoting the future events or time. For example, the wedding ceremony will start in 10 minutes. The word within, it means before the end of any work. For example, let us finish the project within 2 weeks. Within is giving time period. By is used. This word is used when we talk about a set time limit for an action and shows the future time reference. Please hand in your assignment by noon. This is used when we talk about a set time limit. A time has been limited and the work should be completed during that time, within that time. So it will be written by that time, by noon, by 12 o'clock or by 3 p.m. It will be written like this. Now we will write the from will be written. It is tell us about the commencement point of an action. For example, he acted as a principal of the school from 2009 to 2012. That means work has been completed. She was detention for 10 a.m. till noon. After that she was not detained. Before that we will talk about the before. It talks about the time prior of an action. Finish your homework before coming to class tomorrow. The time has been given to complete that work. And after is used about the time subsequent of an action. Can we discuss this after the lunch? Or because after is used when one action will finish and second, after the finishing of the first action, second action will be taken, and to take permission it is said after. Now during means it implies to a certain period of time of action occurred. Please don't talk during the examination. After that you can talk. For is used to denote period of time, not a specific span of time. And since is used the time at which an action began. I have been sleeping since morning. Now position, preposition in position, as I tell you, at, in, on, upon, above, over, below, under, near, across, etc., where the position is being said of an object. Then third is preposition of direction. The words are along, around, at, down, into, of, through. So now let's start with the exercises. Here Paul Askow is a UFA researcher and author. Identified flying objects UFO have often enamored people across the world. Given head to an extract from his interview, fill in the gap with a suitable proposition. I first became interested in UFO when I was in my teens. I was sitting in that garden and it became dark. Then my brother and my father, who was pointing out one for the major constellation for us, when two very brightly pearl white UFO came with a dark cloud. They were still in not much more than a second. So now second exercise is you have to fill with the preposition. That is, Tanya has been touring South Africa since the last few months. Then we thank them for what they had done for us. We thank them because what they had done for us. Then third one is the people among the people of islands are among the friendliest people in the world. Manya is always busy because she has 3 children to look after. Then people did not start living in this part of the town until the minister has been accused for. The Tripathi family is based in Toronto. Do you agree with Then fill in the blank with the suitable preposition. Devang is keen on studying. Then Mitali is bound for Egypt next year. Then within minute the entire building was engulfed. The minister has promised to approve of the matter. So you have to fill, there are these words, the suitable prepositions are there. Then in this exercise D, you can write here, in comparison to the chief guest accompanied by the then to, burnt off with the proposal in, for, with, to, from. So that's all for today's session, student. We will meet in our next session. Till then, read this chapter, follow the video, and have a nice day. Take care.